Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a huge profit using future, using trading future. So I'm going to profit details. As you see here today, I got 21.150541 USDT, as you see here, and yesterday I was make up 12 and so on. But as you see, back days there is very small amount of profit which I was just and the capital is 100 USDT, but I was just making a profit of 0 point something, 0.07, 0.05, and so on. So but now today is 10th April. I made 21.15, and the day is not end up, is still morning to the time of Singapore. Still morning. So I'm going to show you how to make this huge profit by using a small amount of capital. As you see here, a very small amount of capital, about 100 USDT, but I made 21 USDT as a profit with this small capital. So go with me through in order to ensure that you make a huge profit using trading future.